Welcome to the AirLiquide gas filling station. My name is Salem and I'm working as an operations supervisor maintained in order to withstand this pressure. Improper handling is the major cause of cylinder-related accidents. The forklift must only be operated by a competent operator. While they do this, they check the integrity of the cylinder to ensure that it's free from cracks. Steady with one hand on the cap. Keep the cylinder close to you. Use your other hand to roll the cylinders. Now you'll have the chance to transport a cylinder from a basket to another while considering the previous precautions. Great job! You need more training. Congratulations, you are now ready to handle the cylinders.